Well, these elections remain interesting, as you mentioned earlier, that how the battle remains between NCP versus NCP and how Shiv Sena versus Shiv Sena will be claimed in this election. In the Lok Sabha election also, we have seen the fight for the real party was seen, though the percentage was high in terms of Mahayuti getting more number of seats and the voting percentage was also higher in their side. But this time again, this remains the first Maharashtra Legislative Assembly election where people's mandate will decide which party is going to be real and significant. Though we are seeing verbal confidence is there amongst Mahayuti leaders and also in Mahavikas Aghadi, but the ground reality is telling us a different story. Claims are coming from both ends, but at this moment of time, people are those are a bit confused as well, because here right now when we talk about Thane, where I am reporting, this is the gad of and the hub of CM Eknath Shinde. He's being strong here, and by two constituency elections we are seeing that there is a BJP candidate which is constantly winning, who is Sanjay Karkare, and it is expected that he might run in a hat-trick situation as well. Whereas on the other side, the UBT candidate has been placed here, Rajan Vichare, who is also said to be having a strong hold. But of course, CM factor will influence the voting voteship as well, because there is a lot of development work that has been done for the people of Thane and the adjoining area as well. And similarly, they have higher hopes from CM Eknath Shinde and his son as well, coming from the similar constituency, being an MP from here. But now the interesting part is that the voters over here are local Marathis and are also high number from the North India as well, and henceforth the battle is not only for the development purpose but also who will stand with us and which leader is more accessible, and these are the key issues that people are going to vote for. But similarly, the amount of controversies that we have seen during this election, especially the ones those who emerged in last 24 hours, now we can see that it will also impact some or the other way the mindset of the voters. Those had made their minds till yesterday morning, but till this morning again scenario has changed for both the sides. But yes, let's remember 2 months back, the situation was much stronger for Mahavikas Aghadi. But after multiple schemes being launched by the Mahayuti government, we have seen that how there was a shift of focus, shift of vote and ideology amongst the voters. With regards to the Mahayuti government, there are higher hopes. But as of course, we have seen that how crucial this election are, because Mahavikas Aghadi has also not announced their CM face. Now, Mahayuti has also made it a questionable event whether who will be the chief minister face in Maharashtra. And of course, the internal conflict from both the governance and also the opposition sides remain in front of the eyes of viewers and the voters. And of course, not only the local issues are something that they are looking up to, but also the national face is something that they are going to cast their vote for. We have already seen in Lok Sabha election also the larger number of rallies those took place. Even in
right,
assembly
Shivani. In fact, as you pointed, there are very interesting pointers as far as how this is also defining the polls and what else we've seen throughout the past couple of months. But stay with